Hi guys, it's Josh from RTS. Our sale is in full swing. You've got until the 16th of March to get yourself online, in-store, or even on a phone to take advantage of our huge range of fantastic deals and offers. But what I have for you today, what's on my table is one of our headlining deals. We have this. This is the DHP482 combi drill from Makita. It features a 2-speed gearbox, 13mm nylon keyless chuck, forward, reverse and job light as you'd expect. But tucked in here is a motor that can produce up to 62 Newton meters of torque. 62 Newton meters of torque is more than enough to power through some of the toughest jobs on site. This drill will not let you down. It's made by one of the biggest brands in the business and you simply cannot afford to miss this deal. To make it even better, we give you this. This is a Makita 18-volt slide-on 2-amp power battery with a fuel gauge indicator. It's light, it's compact, it will get in them tight spaces, no problem at all. You don't want to carry around a big heavy battery all day. This is the one for you. To keep your battery charged, you get this. This is no standard charger. This is the DC18RC rapid charger from Makita. We'll charge that battery from dead to full in just 25 minutes. So absolutely no time at all. So you got your charger, you got your drill, you got your battery. You need something to complement it. And we have just the thing. We have here, first of all, an 18-piece HSS twist drill bit set. All of the most popular sizes there. Titanium coated for better heat dissipation. A huge service life on these things. And they come in their own little ITS case. That's your drilling sorted. What about screwdriver, I hear you say? Well, here we go. A fantastic selection of screwdriver bits there, both 25mm and 50mm with a holder. You've even got some nut drivers in there for good measure. This is again contained in its own heavy duty little case. So you've got two fantastically comprehensive bit sets there, a DC18RC rapid charger, a 62 Newton meter combi drill with a 2-amp hour battery. Where do you put them all? Here's where you put them all. This is your 18-inch canvas tool bag. It's heavy duty from top to bottom with the stitching, the zippers, pockets galore. It is perfect for carrying all your kit here, plus a few extras. Whatever you need to get through a day, this bag can hold it. Now, in terms of value, these bits together, we're looking at $159.99 ex-VAT on any other day. But because it's in our sale, you have until the 16th of March to save yourself over £80 on this kit. It can be yours for just $79.99 ex-VAT. $79.99 ex-VAT for a Makita combi drill, 2-amp hour battery, fast charger, 2 bit sets and a bag to keep it in. This bundle is not going to hang around, it's going to fly, so should you. Get to its.co.uk, get in store, give us a call and get this in your basket.